Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students. It's time to move up. Get smart. Learn English. Get a lifestyle.
This is Chatni. I'm a student. I'm just 15. I live at Mudishiri Uttar in Sirpur district. And my father's name is Chanmiya and he's a businessman. My mother's name is Murcha Begum and she is golf service holder. I have a brother and he's my best friend. My parents love me so much. I have a hobby. My favorite hobby is gardening. And I also like DVD, anchoring, reading newspaper, etc. But I dislike a dishonest person. And I want to be a doctor in future. Please pray for me. And that's all. Bye.